everyone. First of all, I would like to thank you all for attending this session, and thanks to GMG Virtual Forum organizers for giving me this opportunity to present some points of using advanced analytics and artificial intelligence in the mining industry. I'm Ali Soufastai, an AI project leader in Vale. Vale is the largest producer of iron ore and nickel in the world. We are currently operating mine sites and plants globally, and we are managing a large network of railroads, ships, and ports used to transfer our products across the world. Today, I will summarize AI's definition and application in the mining industry, and then we will look at the AI industrial revolution and related governmental programs. The mining industry uses AI to optimize processes, enhance decision-making, receive value from data, and improve safety. While there are many benefits to its implementation, it's still very new, and there is much work that needs to go into advanced analytics successful applications. Planning, research, communication, and change management are all essential foundations for analytics implementation in mining. The main part of my today's presentation will be about the advanced analytics and AI implementation in mining, challenges and opportunities. To use advanced analytics in mining, we definitely need a framework to assess the organization's maturity in different aspects. Today, I will present an innovative and practical advanced analytics maturity framework to evaluate the current situation, clarify the destinations, and highlight the gaps between the as-is and to-be situation. Then we will review an advanced maturity assessment results as a case study in the mining industry. In computer science, artificial intelligence, sometimes called machine intelligence, is intelligence demonstrated by machines. Unlike the natural intelligence displayed by humans and animals, from Siri to self-driving cars, artificial intelligence is progressing rapidly. While science fiction often illustrates AI as robots with human-like characteristics, AI can include anything from Google's search algorithms to IBM's Watson to autonomous weapons. Artificial intelligence today is properly known as narrow AI or weak AI, in that it is designed to perform a narrow task. For example, only facial recognition or only internet searches or only driving a car. However, many research's long-term goal is to create general AI or AGI or strong AI. While narrow AI may overtake humans at whatever it is a specific task, like playing chess or solving equations, AGI would overtake humans at nearly every mental task. AI technology can increase business productivity by up to 40%, and you can see some references that I mentioned here. The number of AI startups since 2000 has increased to 14 times. AI will automate 16% of American jobs in 2021. Currently, about 15% of mining companies are using AI, and 31% of them say that is their agenda for the next years. The industrial revolution are important for national economies. After decades of development using advanced analytics has made significant progress in China, making China one of the largest high-tech manufacturing countries. However, compared with developed countries, the Chinese mining industry now urgently requires intelligent management and marketing technologies to increase raw materials utilization rate while establishing more functional environmental and safety management systems. This issue has drawn a strong academic attention, and much progress has been made in related research fields. The dramatic growth of new generation information technologies has recently prompted several countries to seek new mining industrial revolution strategies. The United States has launched smart process manufacturing, which aims to industrial upgrades and transformation. Germany has proposed the strategic concept of Industry 4, which focuses on the integration of information technology into manufacturing. The United Kingdom, France, and Japan have respectively announced the UK 2015 strategy, the New Industrial Friends Program, and the Society 5 strategy. In this context, the China government has put forward the new generation of AI development plan to achieve the new industrial revolution. The new generation of AI development plan concentrates on innovative, coordinative, green, open, and shared development, prompting intelligent mining and manufacturing. A few years ago, it would have been unthinkable to regard complex algorithms and analytics to the fundamental support of digital transformation in mining companies. Today, however, there are multiple opportunities for high-impact applications in different sectors, including mining operations, thanks to the availability of the massive amount of the data generated along the mining industry's value chain, strong capacities, the new analysis possibilities, and data processing through more powerful and complex algorithms. Advanced analytics use has only captured a small part of the forecasted potential, which means that there are still plenty of opportunities to deploy advanced analytics and AI in mining industry. Analytics applications are generally divided into three groups: descriptive, predictive, and prescriptive analytics. The optimization should also be included in the analytics applications to make sustainable and applicable solutions for the industries. These applications can take different use cases depending on each stage of the mining industry value chain. Now, I want to speak about advanced analytics in mining industry, and I would like to share with you some challenges that we are facing with them. The first challenge is related to the computing. Computing is not that advanced. Machine learning and deep learning techniques that seem most beneficial require a series of the calculation to be made very quickly. It indicates that these AI techniques utilize a lot of processing power. AI has been in the expert decisions for a long time, and always it came out that there is not enough power to implement these AI techniques. Cloud computing and massively parallel processing systems have created hope for implementing these techniques for the short term. But as data volumes go up and deep learning moves towards automated creation of increasingly complex algorithms, cloud computing would not help. The second challenge that we have is about the fewer people support. AI implementation does not have enough use cases in the mining industry, and without it, no organization would be interested in investing money in AI-based projects. It means that comparatively few mining companies are interested in putting money into development of AI-based products. Moreover, there are not enough people who can make other business understand the vision of powered machine progress globally. In simple words, we can say that there are not enough people who know how to operate machines that think and learn. For solution to this problem, care with citizen data scientists. But it's also not permanent or real solution. Another alternative is a shift towards offering platforms and tools that permit AI-driven to work as a service. Rather than starting everything from scratch, organizations can take ready-made solutions and plug in their data. The third challenge is creating trust. The problem with AI is that it's like a black box for people. People don't feel comfortable when they don't understand how the decision was made. Therefore, somewhere AI has not been able to create trust among people. And the only solution that seems to this problem is to let people see that its technology works. The people prefer to tackle simple mathematical challenges. For instance, they like to use simple algorithms based on the linear maths. And it's easy to explain the algorithm and how they reached from input to output. However, the reality of somewhat different, and it shows that there are many opportunities to make things better by having more accurate predictions. The subject creates problems for companies. Suppose a part of the internal or governmental regulations tell that employees may have the right to ask about their decisions with artificial intelligence. This type of explanation would be very complex and definitely very difficult. A big problem that should be considered is that most of AI implementations are highly specialized. We also call specialized AI applied AI. And it's built to perform a single task and keep learning to become better and better at it. The process that it follows is to look at the input given and the results produced. It looks at the best results produced and notes down those input values. Generalized AI is different and can jump to any task like human being. However, it's yet to come in the future. Simply, it means that AIs need to be trained just to make sure that their solutions do not cause other issues, especially all those areas that are beyond those which they designed to consider. Organizations working on AI-based products cannot clearly demonstrate their vision and what they have achieved with the help of techniques. People are doubtful about this technology, that how it takes decisions, and whether all its decisions are perfect or not. Moreover, such kinds of confusion has surrounded the minds of people, and ultimately the probability, which is the mathematical uncertainty behind AI predictions, remains an unclear region for organizations. They cannot prove the AI system's decisions-making process is fine, and its only solution can lie in making AI explainable, provable, and transparent. Organizations should implement explainable AI. The sixth challenge that I highlighted here for you is about data privacy and security. Most of the AI applications are based on massive volumes of data, learn and make intelligent decisions. Machine learning systems depend on data, which is often sensitive and personal in nature. These systems learn from the data and improve themselves due to this systematic learning. These machine learning systems can become prone to data breach and identity theft. European Union has implemented the General Data Protection Regulation. Recently, they named GDPR, that makes sure the complete protection of personal data. Another one is about the other programs that we can have for data security, and we named federated learning. This type of the learning is aimed to disrupt the AI paradigm. This federated learning will encourage data scientists to create AI without affecting users' data security and confidentiality. Another challenge is algorithm bias. A bias problem with AI system is that their level of goodness or badness depends on the much data they are trained on. Bad data is often associated with ethnic, communal, gender, or racial basis. In the future, such biases will be more highlighted as many AI systems will continue to be trained to utilize bad data. So the urgent need in front of organizations working on AI is to train these systems with unbiased data and create algorithms that they can be easily explained. And the last but not least challenge that I wanted to explain for you here is data scarcity. It's the fact that mining companies have access to more data in the present time than ever before. However, data sets that apply to AI applications to learn are unusual. However, the most powerful AI machines are those that are trained in supervised learning. This kind of training requires labeled data, and labeled data is organized to make it understandable for machine to learn. One more thing about labeled data is that it has a limit. In future, automated creation of increasingly difficult algorithms will only worsen the problem. Still, there is a ray of hope. As time is passing, organizations are investing in the design methodologies and focusing on how to create AI models learn despite the scarcity of labeled data. Yes, more risks and challenges are associated with AI implementation in mining, but just like the two different faces of a coin, AI also has several opportunities for this business. Due to opportunities associated with AI, many mining companies hire dedicated developers to have their AI-based apps. Let's have a look at them one by one. The first one is about artificial intelligence in marketing. It's every mining business's dream to maximize its marketing budget and focus on high-achieving marketing strategies. Moreover, every business wants to learn about which marketing activities deliver the highest return on investment. But it takes much time to monitor and analyze data across all the media channels. Here, the role of AI marketing solutions in mining comes in. AI-based platforms such as Acquisio can easily help manage marketing operations across various channels like Google AdWords, Facebook, and Bing. This machine learning enables layer analysis, live campaign data with sentiment analysis algorithms, and suggests a distribution of marketing activities, which results in the best results. It automates regular bids and monitors overall marketing spend so that mining companies owners can reduce the time spent on tracking marketing campaign and pay attention to other important areas. The second opportunity that we have using AI in mining is related to the track competitors. It is always crucial to keep track of what your competitors are doing. Unfortunately, most of the mining business owners cannot review the competition due to busy schedule. Here, the role of AI comes in. There are various competitive analysis tools like Carayon. They track competitors with the help to different channels like websites, social medias, and apps. Moreover, they provide mining business owners with a close look into competitors' marketing planning changes, like price changes and public relations tools and activities. The third opportunity that I would like to explain for you here is make live work of big data. It is not a big surprise that mining business owners are willing to take advantages of large amount of the online and offline information to make informed data-driven decisions that will make their business grow. The most interesting things about AI-powered tools for mining is that they can be fitted in every data-producing workflow and provide close insights that they are applicable as well as actionable. AI business tools like Monkey learn to integrate and analyze data across various channels and achieve time-saving analytics and reporting like sentiment analysis in Google Sheets, CSV, etc. The fourth opportunity is related to the customer support solutions. Automated chat systems allow companies to scale their customer service efforts and free up resources needed for more difficult customer interactions. AI customer service solutions like Digital Genius or Chatty People suggest or automate answer to income customers' questions, classify help tickets, and direct inquiries or messages to the appropriate department. When you use AI in customer support, a big reduction in average handling time is observed. Moreover, it enhances the overall reaction of your customer service teams. And the last one is artificial intelligence in CRMs. How would you feel if you find a way to take your customer relationship management to the next level and get valuable insights to help manage interactions with persons and prospective clients? CRM platform embedded with AI functionality can do real-time data analysis to provide predictions and recommendations based on your company's unique business processes and customer data. Now, we have reviewed the advanced analytics and AI business applications, including the challenges and potential benefits. We need to know how we can take opportunities and minimize the challenges and costs. One of the best developed approach in this field is the AI maturity framework. The first idea to develop this innovative framework came to our research and development group at Valley AI Center in 2019, when we developed different AI products for different mine sites, but the main part was not scalable. The developed products worked very well in specific and spatial sites that AI models were made specifically for them. However, we could not use the models in other mine sites because the mine site conditions are completely different in different sites. To solve this issue, we could develop a sophisticated maturity assessment framework to evaluate the site conditions in different main dimensions. The aim of developing that framework is to provide an approach, a methodology, and set of reusable tools to guide the development and use advanced data analytics in a maturity matrix framework that recognizes and models the cross-functional, multidisciplinary requirements to use advanced analytics effectively. The potential advantages of using the developed framework, same as this, is that we have a capability to analyze advanced data analytics and artificial intelligence business opportunities at a side-by-side, application by application, cost and value in a reliable and repeatable approach. More cost-effective targeting of analytics skills development to develop enough of the required skills to develop and deliver each specific advanced data analytics and AI job successfully at the selected location. Reduce risk, faster delivery, and ability to rapidly respond AI opportunities with targeted resources. And the last one is a repeatable and measurable way to test the AI skills being developed is necessary and sufficient to deliver the most value adding solution. As you may know, generally there are 6 main steps in analytics maturity or AI maturity, starting from raw data and finishing with optimization and decision models. Analytics science and technology have been developed significantly. However, the main part of modern industries, such as mining, is located in the sense and response zone. The main reason of this problem is lowering maturity in data, people, system, and process. Making action based on the prediction can increase the quality of products and services and decrease the final cost, including the cost of raw material, maintenance, and energy consumption. Increasing the analytics maturity level can also help us to increase safety, reduce equipment failures, and unexpected shutdowns. In this slide, you can see a radar diagram as an assistant to evaluate the analytics maturity in 4 main groups of dimensions. These groups are system, data, people, and process. The details of each group's dimensions can identify by organization and workshops with the business specialists in each company. For example, here, you can find the results of a design thinking sessions on the surface mine site to clarify the definition of each dimension individually. This framework suggests using 6 levels of maturity for each dimension. These levels are exactly same as the level analytics maturity that I presented in the previous slide. You can find all these 6 levels with different color here, from dark orange to dark green. And here, we need to reach the spatial maturity level in each dimension separately for each advanced analytics and AI projects. By connecting these level points, you can draw a spider diagram named 2B diagram. In this slide, the 2B situation has been highlighted by a purple line. On the other side, you're evaluating your company's current situation. We can have an as-is diagram. You can see here in the red lines. The difference between the red and purple points in each dimension shows the maturity gap between as-is conditions and 2B situation. This assessment should be completed before starting any analytics projects or any AI projects, because by clarifying these gaps in all dimensions, we can have a better vision of the cost of analytics to compare it with the project's potential benefit. The maturity assessment can be completed at a higher level. In this type of assessment, we define the new groups of dimensions to cover data, process, people, and systems for higher investigation. This assessment can be completed for safety, operation, maintenance, and energy consumption. The executive managers need this type of assessment when deciding to allocate the budget to different projects. Having a high-level analytics maturity level scale can also help make a maturity balance between different improvements in the company. Analytics maturity assessment can also use as a tool to complete an internal benchmarking. When a company has a different assets and a limited budget for improvement, managers need to allocate the right budget into the right asset. As an example, in this slide, you can see the results of the low and high level of maturity assessment for all groups of dimensions in the mining company. This assessment has been completed for a specific project named Project A here. As you can see, we have maturity assessment results for data, process, people, and systems. These evaluations include the operation, maintenance, safety, and energy consumption. In this assessment, 3 mine sites have been evaluated. The different mine sites have been labeled by a different color. Mine 1 is green, mine 2 is purple, and mine 3 is brown. The maturity assessment results for Project A in this company show that there is no maturity balance between the mines, and there are many unbalances in each mine individually. In summary, It is obvious that project A is in this company with this condition cannot be a successful project. It was the last slide of my presentation, but I would like to take this opportunity, and at the end of my presentation, I would like to introduce an innovative platform established specifically for mining researchers and managers to share their ideas and experiences in advanced analytics and digital transformation and AI globally. This platform aims to create a community of researchers in artificial intelligence and advanced analytics to provide an opportunity for further collaboration in future digital mining projects. We can also keep in touch with each other on the websites, groups, and forums and be informed about the latest research. Please join us and start a fantastic journey on mining industry. Thank you so much, guys, for your time.
Thank you, Ali, for your presentation today. It was very exciting. We have a question, or have a couple of questions here on the chat. The first one is from Osvaldo. Do you have any examples showing the degree of maturity achieved? Do you currently work at Vail? What do you think about the work done at Voisey Bay, catching the hidden losses in the plant to avoid them?
Sorry, you're looking for the example so I missed your voice for a couple of seconds. Could you please repeat your question for me? Sorry.
Sure. Yeah, no problem. So the question of Osvaldo is, do you have an example showing the degree of maturity achieved? Do you work from Vail? What do you think about the work done at Voisey Bay, catching the hidden losses in the plant to avoid them?
Oh, yeah, for sure. In Valley, we already completed many different types of the project, AI-based project, from exploration to the marketing. I explained for you. And in the plant also, we made different types of the project and achievements. For example, in the surface mines, we developed different types of the prediction models for mobile equipment failures. In the plants, we did many different activities for increase the efficiency of the plant, decrease the energy consumption, and also increase the safety. Some of the results and the examples are confidential. I cannot share with you, but if you can have a look through my website, you can find many published papers and case studies specifically related to your question.
Perfect, thank you. Is there any example of use of AI in health and safety?
Yes, for the health and safety, because safety right now is the first priority for us. After having the dam failure in Vale in Brazil in 2019, Vale president decided to set the priority for safety. And now we have different types of the project, but one of them that now we are working on it with the collaboration with the University of Nevada in Reno is about monitoring the dam conditions by drone and using the video analysis to analyze the capture video from different parts of the dam to predict any failures in the future. It's one of the projects that we have for the safety. In the ports, for example, in Malaysia, in Oman, and in Brazil, we have other applications work based on AI to detect any, wrong behavior with the human and making the alarm to avoid any mistake or avoid any failures in the port.
Perfect, thank you. Here we have two more questions, and then we will move into the a short break. What experiences should mining professionals have to work with advanced data analysis?
Sorry, Dust?
What experiences should mining professionals have to work with advanced data analytics?
Oh, yeah, it's a good question. before 2012, when I was teaching at the University in Queensland, we had different types of the departments, and we trained the new students, new mine managers to start their career in the mining industry. But in the curriculum, they had just some courses related to the mining. But now you can find some integrated courses for the students that they want to start their work as a mine engineer, and they can have different types of skills, same as data analytics, big data, AI, and so on. So if you want to start your work in a mining industry as a data scientist or as a data analyst, you should be as a unicorn. It means that you need to have the mining experience, and also you should be aware about what is happening right now in the digital transformation and the digital mining, because the future, it's coming very soon. And my suggestion to start any career in this field is having the mining background and starting to pass some related courses and having experience in IT.
Thank you. That's like very good example, that topic of becoming unicorn professionals, right? Hi, Ali. Here's a question. You mentioned scalability as the major challenge for site-specific AI solutions. What's the recommending strategy to scale and support homegrown AI solutions?
Yeah, it's a big challenge. It's a big challenge because we can make the specific solution for a specific problem in the site, but as far as we want to use this product in other sites, we are facing with many problems. The solution that I can recommend here is completing the maturity assessment, as I mentioned before for you. And for each product, we have the level of the maturity in different dimensions. For example, for data, what type of the data do you need? What type of the system do you need? What type of the human you need to use this product? So if you can clarify the requirements of the maturity that you need for this product, it would be easy for you to make the scalable product, because you can adjust the features of your product based on your condition that you have, or based on the improvement plan that you have for the next years. It is just the one solution that we can offer right now. Having the same condition can help you to having the scalable product for different sites.